Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Jellycat logo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off with a line across for the top of the head. Then from both ends, let's curve it up and out. And then curve it back down. Now let's continue the shape of the head by curving it out and bring it in underneath. And then close off the bottom of the head with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the face. At the top, let's draw 2 large circles for the eyes. Now let's hop in at the top and let's draw a curve down and another curve down on the right side. And the same thing in the other eye. Now let's hop underneath the eyes and let's draw a large oval in the bottom section of the head here. Then inside, we're going to draw the nose with a curve at the top. And then 2 curves underneath, meeting at a point. Now let's draw a line down underneath. And 2 curves out at the bottom here. And lastly, for the mouth here, let's draw 3 black circles on each side. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and draw the whiskers. Let's start by drawing an angle out and bring it back in on each side. And then on each side, let's add 2 more underneath. And that's it for the whiskers. Lastly, let's move back up to the top and draw the hat. At the top of the head, let's draw 2 lines up in the center. And then a curve on top. Now let's add 1 more line up on each side. And 2 curves on top. Now on top of these bumps, let's draw a line up on each side. And a larger curve at the top. And then to finish off the hat, let's add a small circle. And that's it for the Jellycat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!